Hi everyone, this is Professor Hilton. I wanted to go over how to use Cronometer. Cronometer is a website and an app that can help you evaluate your diet. It can give you a great nutrient breakdown of what you eat or what someone else eats. So to do this, you are going to go to cronometer.com, Cronometer.com. Then you are going to click the sign up for free link, and then you're going to follow the information. Now you can enter in your body type if you want, or you can just leave it as this generic, and I will show you how to change it based on your specific patient that we are working on. So once you sign up, it will bring you to this page. This will be blank. I have gone ahead and entered some information to show you guys. So the first thing that you are going to do is go to your account settings. So up in this right-hand corner, go to account settings and see this body details. This is where you're going to enter the information for your specific patient. So for our patient in week 2, you guys have a case study. He is a male. He is 65 years old. So I just changed the year. I didn't worry about the specific date of birth. I put in his height, I put in his weight in pounds, and that's as far as I went. The rest of it I just kind of left. And I put that he is sedentary because we know that he doesn't exercise much. But body fat, BMI, and the BMR I just left. Mifflin is okay to use, so I just left that. If you scroll down farther, you can break down and choose what nutritional targets you want. And this is why I like Cronometer, because it gives you this deep breakdown of all of the nutrients, minerals, carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, because that's important in this course. Other ones like MyFitnessPal, that will only give you the macronutrients, and we do need these vitamin and mineral components to assess if our patients are meeting their nutrient needs. Okay, so once you change that profile setting, then you're going to go to diary, and you are going to add information based on, so if you're doing a diet recall based on the information that's provided to you in the case study, then you're just going to put that information in there. So to do that, you are going to, I marked this completed. That's why it's not letting me do it. So click on this toggle, mark day incomplete, and now you can make changes. So you're going to add food, and then you're going to type it in. Now you have to be specific. Our patient said he has coffee that's light and sweet. So you're going to note that nothing comes up. You can do coffee, cream, and sugar. Now a variety of different options will come up, and it just goes on and on and on. Because he didn't tell you exactly how he makes it or what he or where he buys it, you are just going to have to do the best you can with the information that you have. So I'm going to click coffee from vending machine with cream and sugar, and then I'm going to say that he has 2 cups. So I'm going to change that to 2, and then I'm going to click add serving. If you want to change it, it gives you different measurement options to use. So you can change that if you want, but cups is going to work for us in this case. So then you click add serving. So then you're going to see it shows up at the bottom. So I would drag it up to the top, but because I already have one, what I'm going to do is click on it and delete it because I don't want duplicates. So I have this 2 cups, 136 calories. This showed up again because I just showed you guys. So I'm going to click on it and then click delete on my keyboard. You'll see that I adjusted his weight. So that also comes up on this screen. If you don't want that on there, you can delete it as well. It doesn't change his weight, it just leaves this screen. So once you've added all of the foods that we need, you're going to go back to this toggle and mark the day complete. And when you scroll down, you're going to see the nutrient breakdown of this day. So he consumed about 2,700 calories. He burned about 1,700 calories. So he's up about 1,000 calories. From his targets, because I put his age, that he's a male, and his current weight, it gives you pretty accurate targets. You can dig deeper to see if it actually meets the nutrient needs. So I wouldn't rely on this target analysis for your assignments. I need you to go down to the actual vitamin or mineral, so B12, and this is what he has per day. So it's telling you that it's 243% of his usual intake, but I need you to explain to me why is that, and I need you to tell me what a man of 65 years of age, what should his vitamin B12 intake be? So I need you to tell me a little bit more information and not just rely on this website. So I'm also going to need you guys to show me this. Now I haven't figured out how to export it or print it. So what you guys can do pretty easily is just take a screenshot of it. So what I would do is take a screenshot of this right here, of the food you've entered, the calorie summary, and the nutrient targets. On a Mac computer, you're going to click Command, Shift, and the number 5. If you are using a PC, you are going to click Control, and then there's a print screen button at the top right. It's a small button. You're going to click those 2 buttons, and then you'll be able to do a screenshot. And the screenshot's going to come up like a picture. So I would do the top half, and then I would scroll down and do the bottom half. So it looks like you're going to have to do 3 to get in all of the proteins, but I don't think that's necessary for this course. So you can just do this second screenshot. Just make sure you get the total protein, lipid, carbohydrate, and the vitamin and mineral breakdown. So take a screenshot of that, and then you can attach them both in the appendix section of the document that you are creating to answer the questions. So that's a short and sweet breakdown of Cronometer. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to post in the Q&A so that everybody else can see. If it's more of a private question, then just send me an email. Okay, have a great day.